We're so excited to share all the new features of Younet that we've been working on. Here's how you can train a model. The models use a natural language processing unit, which enables an LLM that we've been working on. It is our secret sauce to train the models. Here's how you can do it too. You can simply add text, add files, add Q&A, or email. Once you've created your model and trained it, you can use it by interacting with it in the playground. Now, here you can converse with it directly, asking it questions, giving it tasks to summarize reports, or ask questions about the information you just trained it on. This wonderful model can be accessed through extensions. In your browser, you can add an extension which can work with other applications such as Gmail, your social media, as well as LinkedIn or Slack. What better way to enjoy this wonderful model than to share it with your coworkers, where you can collaborate on projects and work tasks. You can also share it with your friends. So let us begin creating a model. To begin with, select one of the presets that we already have or create a custom one. Today we will select one called BDAIT, giving it roles and responsibilities and company information so it adheres to parameters. On the left of the screen, you shall find the drop-down menu where you can see the brain. Here, you can add text as we are doing for the information regarding the conference. Once you have done that, you can also add Q&A. The Q&A refers to the questions that you might ask about where the conference is being held, who are exhibiting, or how can you navigate. And you can click the Add to Brain so that it can train itself. You can also add email. Connecting your email is very easy. All your conversations will be uploaded into the brain and it will be able to train on them. You can also add files. Adding files, simply click and drag or drag and drop. Similarly, to the left, you shall find the playground. Here you can interact with the newly trained model. We shall ask it a few questions. Let's see if it knows. Here we're asking it about the event. It seems to know where it is. Let's ask it a few more questions. What are the dates and addresses of the conference? It's thinking. Well, there you have it. We can ask it a few more questions regarding who's attending. Well, how about that? Let's see if it knows what time and event the schedules are going to be. Excellent. Let's talk security. At Younet, we take security very seriously, which is why we implement a 3 levels to ensure your informations are safe. Users are required to authenticate before accessing their models. The shared models have a stop sharing button to stop sharing. And lastly, we encourage users to avoid personally identifiable information as they should be handled appropriately when training models. At the company end, we enforce authentication and record keeping at all employee levels. Data from the models are stored anonymously in fragments within our servers. The data never leaves our servers and belongs only to the user. Lastly, the access to this section of the server requires multi-factor authentication. We are in the process of adding more security measures in the coming iterations for newer features. So stay tuned. Using a model couldn't be easier. It comes in handy, particularly when you get stuck with the thinker's block. Simply ask your model to help discuss a potential solution. You can also use the model to analyze complex information and simplify it. Invoking creativity is the greatest strength of the models. Use trained info for idea generation to make brainstorming sessions more productive. Lastly, defy your limits with the ability to become more than one specialist by simply switching to different models, where each model is a different specialist. Here's how.
At Younet, we thought, why can't one user be more than one specialist? Let me show you how.
I'm the sales manager model, and my main purpose is sales communication and lead generation for my company. I know our business operations knowledge about the company's sales communication and create detailed replies to all potential customers' questions and make leads. Now let's switch.
I'm the creative writer model behind captivating content. With a flair for storytelling and a passion for creativity, I craft engaging narratives for my company that leave a lasting impact. From websites to advertisements, I bring ideas to life, captivating audiences and driving results. Let's switch.
Now I'm a business data analytics manager model with all knowledge about my company's performance stats and business metrics. For example, I can create and analyze a list of top clients by the net revenue from last month. Also, I can generate some business growth strategies based on the supplied company information. Let's switch.
Now I'm the support manager model for my company, and with all uploaded FAQs and history of previous conversations, I can answer any customer's question or make a piece of good advice in a professional and polite way. Let's switch one more time.
Now I'm the legal assistant model with a keen eye for detail and a strong understanding of legal procedures. I ensure that all documents are in compliance. From conducting legal research to drafting contracts and briefs, I assist in all aspects of the legal process and am dedicated to navigating complex legal matters with ease.
Who do you want to be next? Everything is limited only by your imagination.
Go beyond the portal with extension. Using the models you've just created, locate the extension on your browser and then log in using Younet. Once you have authenticated, select the model of your choice. Once you are in your email client, you can highlight the text and reply. Wow, so easy. You can also communicate in social networks. Highlight the text and hit the little hidden arrow right beside reply. Here you can add context to better respond. Look at that. Once you are happy with it, select the text box and insert. You can also create Google Documents using the @Younet prompt. Here we are writing an article about our software features. It uses all the model's training data to generate this wonderful document. Look at it go. You can also fill in text box on any website using the same @Younet prompt. Here we are trying to contact someone to generate a lead. It is using the trained information of our lead specialist. Once we have done it, you can simply submit. Sharing your model is very easy. To the dashboard, you can find the share button under your model. Here you generate a personalized link which you can share with your friends or coworkers. We can see the receiving end of our created BDAIT model. Here, the receiver can simply click a pre-selected prompt or chat with it as you would normally do. For this specific workshop, we have created our BDAIT model using the information from the expo. You can chat with the model right now. Simply follow the link or use the QR code. Thank you everyone for enjoying our little workshop. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us or simply reach out to the model's little helper called Rabbit AI. This little helper has all the information that you need to know about Younet.